Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about lipstick swatches, and after so long I am doing this because I didn't get any new lipsticks during this lockdown period. But as soon as Nykaa returned to deliver all of the makeup products, so I have bought a few products from their website, and to my surprise I saw that Nykaa has released a new lipstick which I think very few of us are aware of. So I am talking about these lipsticks. These are Nykaa Matte Luxe lipsticks, and yeah, I was quite surprised to see these lipsticks because the manufacturing date on these lipsticks are of February, so that means they launched it earlier, but we were not aware of it as we cannot see all the makeup items in the Nykaa app because they have hidden that. Anyways, so this particular range, it retails for $7.99 for 4.8 grams of product, and there are a couple of shades. I think there are 12 shades or so, and yeah, they have neutral lipsticks also. And so I was so happy to see that they have all of these neutral brown and warm pink kind of undertones, which is very likely of Nykaa, I will say. So guys, if you want to know more about this lipstick, make sure you keep on watching. Now if we talk about the outer packaging, this is the outer packaging of one of the lipsticks. Do not mind this white cast on it because I have sanitized it, so that is why it has turned its color. So this is how the outer packaging. Here you can see Matte Luxe written, and the name of this lipstick is Athleisure. So you can see here something related to gym has been drawn on the packaging, which is quite cute, and it is matte packaging, by the way. Now then, when you turn up on the back, you are having all the information which says it is paraben free, it is SLS free, and it is dermatologically tested, and yeah, it is vegan as well. So all the information you will get it here, and it retails for $7.99 for 4.8 grams of product, and everything else has been given here, the expiry and everything, so you can use it for 3 years from its expiry date. So yeah, this is the outer packaging. Coming to the inner packaging, as you can see, this is color coded. The outer packaging and inner packaging is color coded. So Nykaa has been written here in golden, and you can see the manufacturing date and everything here, batch number as well. So it is quite matte, and this is what the packaging looks like, and here you are getting the shade name and also the quantity that you are getting. And now also you can open it like this. It also has this magnetic closure, and from inside it has this beautiful bullet which is very shiny, very glossy in golden, and as you can see, the bullet here looks too pretty and very, very classy. Let's see what Nykaa claims about these lipsticks. So they say that it has a luxury comfortable matte formula. That I agree, it has a comfortable formula and somewhat matte, somewhat creamy matte texture, and it is smudge proof, which I think is not correct because it smudges. You can see it smudges, so it's not smudge proof. And then it has high pigment color. Now that I agree, it does have a high pigment color. Let me just swatch a lipstick in front of you so that you guys know. So yeah, can you see, it glides like butter and it has a very nice pigmentation. So on pigmentation point of view, it is 100%, I would say. And then they say that one stroke application. Now this is also true, it glides on so smooth, it does not even tug your lips or anything. Now talking about this packaging, it is quite heavy and quite luxe. That I love about these lipsticks. So if you are planning to buy one, you won't regret because the outer packaging is so cute and it is so beautiful and it looks high end. So packaging wise, 100 points. Now I have talked about the claims, and you know that it is not smudge proof and it is not completely matte. As you can see, there is some sheen on my lips, so this is not completely matte. I also have other lipsticks from Nykaa, so that I want to talk about other lipsticks and compare this one from their earlier two lipsticks. Now here I have two of the most favorite lipsticks of Nykaa range, I am saying. So first I have this Nykaa So Matte lipstick. So you see it also have this kind of a magnetic closure, and here is the lipstick. So if you see this one, this also has a magnetic texture, but this is highly moisturizing. This can dry your lips out, but this is not going to dry your lips out. So when I swatch this one, so it is not 100% pigmented. I would say pigmentation wise this lipstick is much better, and it is not even close to Nykaa So Matte lipsticks. Now coming to the ultra mattes, so I have one of the ultra matte. So this is Mona Lisa, this is Cleopatra from their range. So if you see this, when I'm swatching it, you see it is not applying very smoothly because it does stuck my lips, but it is 100% matte, so it is not at all hydrating. So this lipstick stand out because it has moisture retention, and it also leaves my lips looking plump, which is not case with the ultra matte. But if you're looking for a matte long lasting lipstick, this is not your jam, because this is not at all long lasting. As you saw that it smudges, and it does not last that long on your lips. It will just last 3 to 4 hours if you are not having any meal. If you have any meal, even if you drink water, this is going to come off, but then it is so pigmented that it is going to leave a stain on your lips. So it does not dry out your lips, does not leave those buttholes, but your lips look so youthful and plump. Nice warm undertone, perfect for NC 42 to 40, even if you are not wearing a makeup. And this has slightly pinky undertone, which is this one, looks amazing on my skin tone. So these are the two lip shades which I got. I did not get any dark lip shade because I wasn't interested in buying them. Yes guys, so I got only two lipsticks out of all the lipstick they have, because let's be honest, it is costly. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys like this one, make sure to subscribe and like. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and bye bye.